This is Jason McManus. This is a recorded demo for HR department at Omes, showing the pieces we weren't able to show in our other presentation earlier this week. As you can see, I went back and rebuilt the demo using exactly the fields you had requested, kind of simplified it, taking out all the additional data elements that we had that we were capturing. I also went ahead and built a file room and application extender, just HROMES, employee ID, social security number, last name, first name, file type, doc type, scan date. Simple, easy peasy. If you do a quick search, you'll see that it is a blank file room right now, showing that so you can see it before we run the documents through Grooper. And then we'll go back over here to Grooper. And you'll see that I think we have 3 employees. We've got a Dwight, we've got a Fred, and we've got a John Doe. And if I'll click through here, you'll see we're collecting all those data elements for each one of these employees. And then we're also assigning a document type as well. And in this case, I'm using file type, document type are the same fields. I thought that's what I heard in the presentation the other day, but obviously we can set these up any way you want, extract whatever data you want off of these particular documents. Also, I set up a mock database lookup. So I put these 3 employees' information in a SQL table. And if the data exists on the document, I'm validating that it is accurate. And if it doesn't exist on the document, like say there's no employee ID or social on some of these, we're auto-populating those so that we're collecting all this data for every one of these specific documents. So I'm going to hit complete. And this is going to be the piece that you didn't get to see in the presentation earlier this week. You'll see an export to app extender down here. So it's taking all the images and all the metadata, and it's releasing those to that very specific file room that I set up inside of application extender. And it's also assigning the document types so that you can use that to apply additional security levels, additional query capabilities. But now when I hop over here to my app extender environment and I do a search, I have 31 total documents, and I can see my employee ID, I can see my SSN, all this, the information that we're looking for. I can sort by any of these, and you notice that these folders didn't exist before I did the export. You had asked me previously, could Grooper automatically create folders for new employees? You just saw it do that. And if those employees already had existing files, we also could set it up to just append these images to those existing files if they were already there. So that's not a problem either. So here we've got our image. This is a text searchable PDF, which has some advantages over just being a non-text searchable image like a TIFF. And then, of course, you see our metadata was automatically populated. In that demo, we did 0 data entry, 0 sorting or organization. We just scanned the records in, let Grooper do its thing, and then they ended up inside of application extender. All nice, neat, organized, all our data that we need, everything right here. So if you have any questions, reach out to us. I think you all have my contact information. Happy to show you this demo live if you'd like to see it. Thank you.